create e-learning videos that actually work? Here's your step-by-step guide to doing it right. Step 1. Know your learners. Set clear goals and build personas. Don't serve sushi to someone allergic to fish. Step 2. Plan like a pro. Structure your content like a well-made sandwich. Start with an attention-grabbing intro, layer in the key details in the middle, and finish with a satisfying conclusion. Then storyboard it. It doesn't need to be a masterpiece. Just lay out the flow and key scenes, like a comic strip. Finally, write a killer script. Scripts should be straightforward, engaging, and aligned with the structure. Step 3. Pick the right tools. Animation for engagement. Audio and video tools for pro-quality sound and visuals. Want the right tools for your project? Check out the link below for our top software picks for every type of video. Step 4. Design visuals that stick. Don't use too many visuals. Clean design helps learners focus on key messages without getting distracted. Consistency is key. Stick to a color palette, font style, and layout. It looks professional and reinforces your brand identity. Be purposeful. Use visuals directly support the content. If a picture doesn't add value, it's just clutter. Avoid the temptation to throw in that dancing cat, no matter how cute it is. Optimize graphics, animations, and infographics. Step 5. Record it right. First, set up your space quiet, well-lit, and distraction-free. Natural light works best, but soft lighting helps avoid harsh shadows. Keep your camera steady. You can use a simple tripod. When you speak, be clear, confident, and natural. Practice a few takes. Remember, authenticity beats perfection. Good sound matters twice as good visuals. Use an external mic if you can. Place it close enough for a clear voice without picking up every breath. Turn off fans, AC, and record in a room with soft furnishings to reduce echo. Before you start, always run a quick test. It'll save you a lot of editing headaches later. Step 6. Edit and polish. Smooth transitions. Keep it seamless with simple fades or clean cuts. Skip the flashy effects that distract from your content. Pacing is everything. Not too fast to overwhelm, not too slow to bore. Good rhythm keeps viewers hooked. Enhance with effects. Use subtle text, highlights, or zoom-ins to emphasize key points. Add captions and subtitles. They're not just for accessibility, though that's crucial. Captions boost comprehension, help non-native speakers, and support anyone who learns better by reading along. Step 7. Test and get feedback. Check for clarity, technical issues, and gather feedback to refine before going public. Step 8. Publish and share. Congrats! Now launch it where your learners are, such as learning management systems. In organizations, your video may live on platforms like Moodle or Blackboard, integrated into a full learning program. Video hosting sites, YouTube, Vimeo, and others can reach a wide audience, plus give you analytics to track engagement. Your own website, hosting videos on your site drives traffic and keeps full control over your content. Want more tips? Go to our website to learn about using animation in e-learning. Link below.